guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Memorial Day weekend and I wanted to show you a little bit of my haul that I got from the Target sale and some other things I picked up for Walmart. We do have an upcoming Disney trip coming up in a couple weeks, so I'm starting to gather a bunch of things for that. But first, if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I have a 2-year-old daughter named Lucia, and I love to go to Disney a lot. You'll see a lot of Disney content on my channel. I take my toddler with me to Disney on a lot of our trips. If that's kind of content you think you might like, go ahead, stick around, subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, so this is gonna be a huge haul. I bought a lot of clothes at the Target sale. They're having 30% off clothes and shoes. So if I could get this uploaded, maybe check out and see what kind of deals that you could score. So some of this will be Disney related for our trip, and then other things are just thrown in there also that I just thought were really great deals. So the first thing is this pink romper. So this was regularly $15, so I think this came to about $10 or $11. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just tell you what the regular price are, but just keep in mind that the prices were 30% off additional off of this price. All right, then we got these little shorts. The shorts were a great deal. So these are normally $5. There was some other shorts, which I'll get into, the biker shorts, which I really picked up for like $2.80. They were such a great deal. So I figure with toddler, you can never have enough shorts for like daycare or whatever. Yeah, these are the little bike shorts. So I love to put like bike shorts under her dress. So these are regularly $4. And like I said, I think they came to like $2.80. Such a great deal. So great that I picked them up in so many colors and prints. They're just great for, you know, putting on under some of the clothes. All right, so there's no rhyme or reason to this, so I'm just gonna keep going. All right, so this was something that we might be using on our upcoming Disney trip. It's a little set. It's like a linen-y material. Just says 100% cotton, but yeah, it's like that gauzy linen print that's really great for summer. So I thought this would be a great change of clothes for when we go to Disney. This is another, some of these don't have hangers. The lady was like taking my hangers from me yesterday when I picked these up. All right, so this is the new live action Ariel dress. I loved the denim, the light denim color on this, but also I love the back feature. I thought this was like super cute. So this will be another great Disney outfit. They have a lot of cute stuff for Disney at Target. So this was, she loved my little 2-year-old, she loves Ariel. This doesn't scream like, hi Ariel, whatever, but I think it's subtle enough that she could wear this every day also. But again, like that same linen-y cotton feel, little shorts. The shorts have Ariel and the clamshell on them. So super cute. I'm a big fan of peach, pink, coral, like all the things. So I thought this was gonna be super cute to bring. And this is a little bit more patriotic, and we're not going during the 4th of Memorial Day weekend, but I thought this would be so cute still nonetheless. So we might wear it this weekend for Memorial Day. So this is that same like blue, light blue denim-y color with the same tie back, which I love. Oh, I haven't been saying the prices. So this was $20 before the 30% off. This one is regularly $15. This one was regularly $20. And this is regularly $15. All right, here's some other things that I picked up for my toddler that is more for like patriotic. I figure we could wear them for 4th of July and this weekend for Memorial Day. I just thought this is so cute. This is regularly $18, but I love that pinafore style dress. And I liked how the back kind of makes this like V in the back. So very cute. This is just a plain white dress. It is regularly $18, and it's got that little like the little Swiss dot. I forgot what the technical name for, I should know this because this is what I went to school for, but can I think of it right now? No. Anyway, you could probably see in the video, the little, if I can remember the name for it, I'll insert it in the video. Anyway, the reason why I picked this up is I figured we're gonna bring this. I have a matching white dress that we actually wore and took pictures when we went to Dominican Republic a couple of years ago, but she was a baby, obviously has outgrown that dress, but I figured I have that same matching dress that I could wear again, and then maybe we can take pictures by the water. And I thought that would be so cute to have like a mom-daughter kind of thing, kind of matching outfit. Oh, here's another pair of pink shorts. Again, $5 regularly priced. All right, another patriotic romper. I thought this was adorable. This is regular 16. It does have little pockets, which is so cute. So I don't know, maybe she'll wear that either today or tomorrow, I figured. Very cute. All right, New Jersey, by the way, they took away our bags like 2 years ago, so I have all these random like bags around the house. Yeah, it's kind of annoying sometimes, and I always have to end up buying more bags every time I'm out, which kind of defeats the purpose because I never remember to keep bags in the car. Anyway, all right, let's continue. So this is cute little tank top. This one is regularly $16. Another little white bike short that's regularly $4. These, like I said, came to like $2.80. And I think that is, oh no, there's a couple. Yeah. All right, I think that's it for my Target haul. All right, let's get into some of the Walmart stuff that I picked up. So we're going through potty training, so I picked up some more underwear for her. Thought she would get like really excited about, you know, doing that. She does a pretty good job telling us when she needs to go, but she's still scared about using like the big toilet yet. But anyway, so I figured let's get some princess underwear to motivate her. Then this is from the new movie Wish, Disney Wish. So this was at Walmart for $9.98. I love these little skater dresses. They're so cute. We have different, we have a few different ones in our house. I can't think of what the other prints are right now. Then of course I picked up some more tank tops. I have this just as a solid white. This is $2.98. So great deals at Walmart. Little lavender shorts. These are $3.98. All right, this is a little Elsa swimsuit. It's like very subtle with the Frozen print, but so cute. I like that it's a still two-piece, because if you're a toddler mom, you know those little one pieces, they're really hard to, when they get wet, to go up and, or to get off and on when you gotta change your diaper or go to the bathroom. So anyway, that's why I try to tend to buy her two pieces, but yeah, so cute with the Frozen theme. This was $11.98, great deal. Because I think I picked up a swimsuit at Target like back in March or February. So they had it like put a lot of their swim gear out, and I think I got it from Target, and it was honestly like I think it was like 15 or 20 bucks, which I thought was kind of expensive. So this is like a much better deal at Walmart for these swimsuits. Oh, and I just noticed too, could see in the video, ignore my nails. It's like this little lavender shimmery print. It's so cute. All right, so then here's another one. This is just like the princesses all together. Same thing. This was $11.98. So this will give her like two different options to wear for our trip, for our upcoming Disney trip, and also for this weekend, because we are planning to go to a pool party later on this afternoon. That's why I'm quickly filming this. Then I actually picked these up from Walmart before I went to Target sale. So again, can never have too many little bike shorts to put under their dresses. So this whole pack, I don't know if it was like $8. I can't actually find a price on here, but yeah, like we tend to buy a lot of these. They're very useful to have around the house. And let's see, I got some Mirabelle Band-Aids from Encanto, very cute. So we'll put some of those in our diaper bag or our Disney park bag. And then I'm starting to get a little bit, actually I got this from the Target dollar spot. Sorry, just getting to this now. I think this was $1. I didn't even check the receipt, but it was in the Target dollar spot. So it's got the little princesses, but just kind of annoying that they don't have like the princess sticker. They just have like this little flowers on here, but I guess you can't beat it for $1. So we'll put that in our park bag as well to take with us to Disney. And then just a couple of things that I started to buy for our trip. I bought some blind bags. These are great for having on the airplane and also for keeping in your park bag if you're out to dinner and your toddler's getting restless. These are great little things to keep them entertained for briefly anyway. So we have a bunch of these. I think these are the ones with the bag clip. Yeah, it's a bag clip one. So we have already, I think, Moana and you know what's funny? I think we have the 2 exclusive ones. Anyway. All right, so then I picked up some of the Wish Imagine ink. These are great. We go through these very quickly in our house, so they're great, again, to take out to the restaurants or for the airplane or whatnot. And these, again, from like Target dollar spot. These are usually like $1. They come with crayons, stickers, little things to color. So, oh, and then one last thing that I picked up yesterday, totally Disney related. I think we got this at Walmart. A huge set of chalk because we're gonna need that for the summer. So that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what all I got for our upcoming Disney trip and for some of the clothes I picked up for my daughter for summer. If we're not already friends, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button now and stick around. You can follow along for all of our Disney adventures and all of our other adventures along the way. Go ahead and hit the like button. It really does help to support the channel. And we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye. I've been all